There's one big mistake I see patients who are suffering with shoulder pain making. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what it is and how to go about correcting it so you can start getting some much needed relief from your shoulder issues. Hey there, I'm Dr. Mario from Vitality Semaphore in South Australia. And over the last quarter of a century, we've helped tens of thousands of people kiss goodbye to their back and neck issues and shoulder pain as well through natural chiropractic care. The mistake I'm seeing too many patients making is an overemphasis on the rotator cuff. This is often wrongly or misdiagnosed as rotator cuff tendonitis or tendinosis and ends up being mismanaged or poorly managed with soft tissue massage, dry needling, and the more severe cases, cortisone injections, and sometimes even surgery. Almost all rotator cuff issues are secondary to postural problem. Unless you get the posture issues corrected, you're setting yourself up for a lifetime of chronic shoulder issues. This postural problem is an internal rotation of the shoulder or a forward hunched shoulder. It is incredibly common, and the issue is because we spend a lot of time on our mobile phones and at our desks and in a very, very sedentary lifestyle. The good news is if we can correct the postural issue, then you start to set yourself up for great results with getting rid of your shoulder pain as well. Everything else that you'll do will work much better if you can correct your posture. Now, there's three key things to correcting the posture problem. The first is you need to stretch out the muscles through from the front part of your chest. And the second is you actually need to strengthen the muscles at the back of the shoulder and the upper part of the back. The third is freeing up the restrictions that happen in the spine, particularly the subluxations in the upper and middle part of your back and the lower part of your neck. And this is best done with chiropractic. Sadly, I see way too many patients go on to have chronic shoulder issues because they don't get the postural problem fixed. If you've tried these exercises and you're still having problems, then chances are you're missing one component of these particular issues. And frequently it's not getting your spine adjusted when you need it and where you need it that'll really be preventing you from getting better. So if you think about it, the shoulder muscles receive a nerve supply from your spine, and if your spine's impeding the nerve supply to a muscle, the muscle's not going to work properly, it's going to be weak, or it's going to be contracted, it's not going to coordinate with the other muscles that it's supposed to work with, and therefore you've got a problem which is the power to the part. The shoulder muscles can't work properly if they're not getting a proper nerve supply, and they're weakened. Now, as I mentioned beforehand, for the last quarter of a century, we've helped tens of thousands of people improve their shoulder issues, neck and back problems, and we'd love to help you too. You can give us a call on 8242-1581 or book an appointment through the link in our bio. Hope to see you soon.